Hey everyone, Dili here. First of all, for those who celebrate Merry Christmas and goodbye 2020, see you never again. Anyway, let's cover the latest Landbot updates. The first one is our Knowledge Center, which is Landbot's new support ecosystem for makers. You will find it on Landbot's website inside Resources. It's divided into 3 parts. The first one is our knowledge base, where you can access hundreds of support articles providing step-by-step tutorials from bot building, design, workarounds, all the way to dev support. The second is Landbot's Academy. Here you can access short video tutorials covering builder basics, lead generation tips, as well as bot development for WhatsApp and Messenger. And the last one is Landbot Community, a place where makers from all around the world can share advices on bot building, exchange the best tips and workarounds, discuss, learn and grow. Join the conversation! Okay, let's move to the next one. Have you ever needed to let users upload more than one file at a time? Now it's possible, and you can do that by enabling the multiple files upload option within the question file blocks configuration. Users will be able to upload up to 6 files at once, and each file has a size limit of 10 megabytes. They can upload files all together or even by groups until they reach this limit of 6 files. You can find the links to access each uploaded file in the variable where the user's answer is saved. You can do it in the chat section or in the Analyze User section of your bot. Also, all system messages can be customized from the Settings section, Custom System Messages, Help Text. This feature is only available for web chatbots due to limitations of Facebook and WhatsApp. However, for WhatsApp and Messenger, we have added the possibility to customize the validation error message, which previously wasn't possible. Next up, changes in the colors and shapes inside Design section. Before it was divided into 2 parts, Basic and Advanced, which worked like a switch. So, to improve the overall experience with the tool, we have changed that. And now when you create a new bot, you will find the initial step with the global colors. Here you can set up the main colors in just a few clicks and then continue to the advanced customization. So every time you go back to the bot, you are going to find the advanced settings. Meanwhile, for the already created bots, it will depend whether you used basic or advanced settings. So if you used advanced settings, you will see them already laid out. You can also click on Reset the changes and go back to the global colors. And moving on to the final one, improvements on the chat section. Now, when adding private notes in the conversation, you can mention your teammate with the @ symbol to notify them. When teammate is online, he will receive a pop-up notification. And if he's offline, he'll receive the email with the link to the conversation where he was tagged. Also, now you're able to send the transcription of the conversation to the custom email address by clicking on 3 dots on the right side of the user's information. Well, that's all for now. Enjoy this time with your loved ones and see you in the next month.